dedicated, credible, wagon tooling, ingenuity manufacturing. If manufacturing industry is a source of treasure, precision tools will be the cornerstone of products quality. National High and New Technology Enterprise, Wagen Precision Tooling Company Limited, has set up in a beautiful and famous city, Hangzhou, located in the most economically developed Yangtze River Delta zone of China. Wagen Precision Tooling Company Limited received traditions of Tech Group China, including the enterprise culture philosophy of being diligent, ambitious, innovative, and creative. With advanced technology, excellent R&D team, Wagen carries out advancing R&D activities, focusing on establishing great technological process. Therefore, Wagen becomes large Japanese fund enterprise which has the most comprehensive and advanced in product usage, specification and technology among high-precision cutting tool manufacturing industry. Over half products are exported to Europe, America, and Southeast Asia. Wagen is the first choice of many overseas customers. In the meantime, Wagen has already become the most popular brand in this industry. Wagen owns world's first-class advanced processing equipment. Laser cutting machine from Switzerland is the most advanced laser cutting machine in Europe. Cutting size deviation within 0.01 mm. After cutting, the body will not be outshaped. The machine has high cutting efficiency. Whole-set heat treatment line from Japan. Cooling oil from Germany to assure the shape and tissue of the body. In this way, heat treatment tolerance can be controlled within HRCO 0.5. Breathing is one of the most critical processes during the production of cutting tools. Wagen has the most automatic and precise professional breathing equipment. Breathing temperature can be controlled within plus or minus 1 degree, and breathing reaction can be within 0.1 millisecond. Diamond EDG equipment is valuable from Germany and the most advanced Japanese equipment. Non-touch grading, no grading force of friction. Grading precision within 0.02 mm. 5 rulers working together can create all kinds of product. With advanced equipment, precise detection, advanced R&D philosophy, and excellent management team, Wagen has specialized in researching, developing, and manufacturing GCT saw blade, PCT tools, cold saw blade, and aluminum alloy cutting tools for decades. Recently, Wagen produces 4 categories of products which are the important tools in industry manufacture. TCT saw blade is widely used in the wood processing, furniture making, and organic glass. Diamond PCT cutter has over 10 times lifetime and abrasive resistance of TCT tools. It suits for cutting harder material like wood, organic material, plastic, and non-metal. Metal cutting cold saw blade is widely used in the auto parts, bearing, and gear, which is a key product recommended by the Chinese Forging Association for its long lifetime. Aluminum alloy cutting tools can be widely used not only in the auto and high-speed wheel, but also in cutting the aluminum profile and processing building materials sections. It becomes the first choice of many customers. Wagen Precision Tooling is in a strict accordance with ISO 9001 quality assurance system in the premise of guaranteeing products quality. Wagen concerns about customers' need, and with professional technical researching and developing attitude to provide more ideal plans for customers. Wagen was awarded National High and Technology Enterprise in 2014, and metal cutting cold saw blade project was set as industrialization demonstration project of National Torch Plan. With independent R&D center, Wagen has independent intellectual property. Wagen has over 60 patents and many invention patents. Wagen Precision Tooling will make more efforts in science and technology innovation. Wagen Precision adheres to the management theory, dedicated and credible to supply products and service with first-class R&D team, first-class production equipment, and first-class production management. Your satisfaction is our consistent pursuit.